guys, it's me again, Shania. Today we are going to make a Parmesan yogurt dressing. Let's go start with 1 cup low-fat plain yogurt, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/3 cup skim milk, and then we add 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic, some black pepper. Now we start to whisk all together. Okay, so all the ingredients so they can be nice and smoothie. Okay, and your Parmesan yogurt dressing is ready. And make sure to check my other videos and don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye!